Welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. This is the concluding part of simple substitutions, saving time and money in the kitchen. Please continue watching and subscribe. When a recipe calls for a cup of milk, particularly in this part, what we use is evaporated milk like this and powdered milk. Please always wash your things before you open it, and if you do not have water available, just use a tissue paper. Half a cup of evaporated milk plus half a cup of water will give 1 full cup of fresh milk, so 50-50, but I want to use less. Let's take, for instance, I need half a cup of milk. That means to get half a cup of milk, I will use 1/4 cup of evaporated milk plus 1/4 cup of water to give me half a cup like this. So it's 50-50, or equal parts of milk and equal parts of water to get 1 full cup. So 1/4 cup of milk, I'll pour it into half cup. Pour water, 1/4 cup of water. Pour it to make half cup of milk. So it's 1/4 cup of evaporated milk plus 1/4 cup of water makes half a cup of fresh milk. Powdered milk, 1/4 cup. This is less. To make a cup of milk, remove like 2 tablespoons from a cup of water. So add the powdered milk and mix properly. If you want it creamier, use the 1/4 cup. So you've got it. Use powdered, use evaporated milk, still good to go. Okay, so vinegar. When you need vinegar in a cake, check out my crazy cake recipe, or you need to add it to your salad dressing, just a tablespoon or 2. And when are you going to finish this whole bottle of vinegar? You can substitute vinegar with lemon juice, equal amount of vinegar to lemon. And then you can also consider the expiry dates. Why buy a whole bottle when you need just a little bit? And besides, there's nothing like fresh, unprocessed fruit. One thing about this lemon is you can also use the zest. So lemon is the way to go. Sour cream. I mentioned earlier in a previous video that I couldn't get sour cream, but I saw one. The one I saw was for salsa, so it's not the best option. So the best thing to use is yogurt. What I'll do is simply whip this yogurt together and look at it. It resembles sour cream a lot. A cheaper option to use in baking is this type of yogurt, plain, unsweetened if you can get it. So you use 3/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of margarine in baking. That substitutes for sour cream, buttermilk, and sour milk. So I'll pour 1 tablespoon of vinegar into a measuring cup. Add enough milk to make a cup. So you got your buttermilk. But if you want to make it sour milk, let it stand for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is optional. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the sour milk. This takes it to a whole new level. It makes it creamier and it could easily pass for sour cream. So this is the end of the series on simple substitutions in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.